Greetings to you all today being Nkwo. Today I want to talk about how to stop the whooping cough. That continual cough that you have been having for a long period of time. So I have a remedy for you. This remedy is going to be in two phases. This is the first one I'm going to mention is for the adult one, and you also have to combine it with the second remedy. Listen to me. If you are an adult and you have been coughing constantly and you have been taking drugs, doing all the things, is not making any move, this thing I'm going to give you is a strong antibiotics and it will work. Get me bitter leaf. We call it olibu. Olibu. It's bitter. We used to use it and cook soup, the Nigerian people. And you get me ginger. Get me ginger. The one full ginger hand, as in one full hand of ginger. Then you get me this bitter leaf, as many as you can. When you get this bitter leaf, you wash it very well and you put it inside the pot. And you slice the ginger and also add it inside the pot. When you add it inside the pot, add water, maybe like a liter. That's Ragolis water, the big one. Use the water, the measurement of that Ragolis bottle, and add the water inside the pot. Then boil it. Boil it well, like 20 minutes, and bring it down. Then the second remedy is that you have to get me onion. Red onion. It should be red onion. When you get it, red onion, you get me garlic. Maybe like this size, not like 4. You just get me 1 red onion, big one. Then you get me honey. When you get me honey, you wash this thing, you remove the back, and you slice it into tiny, tiny pieces. Then you put it inside the honey for me. Put the mixture inside the honey and allow it to stay overnight. As an adult, listen to me. As you are taking 1 cup of this disposable, this is the smallest cup, see, of that bitter leaf that you have boiled, and you use this spoon, the normal spoon, and take the mixture of ginger, the mixture of garlic and onion with the honey. You take a spoon of it. After you must have taken a cup of this boiled item. As an adult, you take it morning and night. But if it is for kids, like children from like 5 years to 13 years, yeah, you will only give them the one that you have mixed with honey. Listen to me. It's only the one that you have mixed with honey that you will give them a spoon of this morning, afternoon, and night. But if you are an adult, you have to combine it with the other one. You have to take a cup of this cup that I have shown you, morning and night, together with this for complete 2 weeks. And also the same thing applicable for the children own. Ekelekwe m na asị m nke onye chiri ya zara, aka m bụkwa eze nwanyị iyi ọmụ osinikuku bana mmiri si na mmiri pụta ụbọchị eke. Asị m nke onye chiri ya zara. Do well to join my account for more updates. On Facebook, eze nwanyị iyi ọmụ dibia international. On TikTok, eze nwanyị iyi ọmụ dibia international. On Instagram, dibia eze nwanyị. For any spiritual consultation, do well to contact me on +233 268 313 228. Ekelekwa m unu, onye chiri ya zọrọ ise 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 ise.